Operating Wi-Fi features. Today I'm going to show you the public Wi-Fi features. You can edit the Wi-Fi name and operating hours at your site. The Wi-Fi name is the name that is displayed when customers search for your Wi-Fi. Simply clicking Edit allows you to enter the name that you want to be displayed to your Wi-Fi users. So I can change this to call it Serena's Cafe and click Save. And then that will appear here. Your operating hours are the times the public Wi-Fi is on. I can just simply click Edit and I can set the times that I want my Wi-Fi to show, or I can disable it so that the Wi-Fi won't be available on those certain days. Simply click Save. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to use this feature.